Khosini, this is the power of healing with Utabi. Ungowekhethelo bengizihleka last night looking at my videos and ngihleka ukuthi yo abantu abadala yazi bakuveza the way bafuna ukuveza ngakhona ebantwini ukuthi wena ungibona kanjani. It's up to you. So I was watching my videos, I'm like, yo, ngesinye isikhathi ngigugile, ngesinye isikhathi ngimncane, so I remembered somebody asked years ago, omunye ubaba ngihlangana naye ngiyothenga izinto zokusebenza, ngihlangana naye athi kimi, esisa ungitshele umntwana, umama, usisi, ukuphi kahle kahle. And then I had a doctor this year early saying to me, kahle kahle ulangakhi. Now, I remembered years ago, one of my colleagues, when I was working, one of my colleagues said to me, "Good morning, ma'am. Uyangena ne-emsebenzini. Good morning, ma'am. Lo muntu ngihlala naye every day. Ngidla naye mhlambe sometimes ngelunch. Ngithi mina, good morning yani wena?" Uthi good morning, ma'am. Uyadlula ne? Uya kuma-restrooms. Makabuye ngithi good morning yani ke wena manje inkinga yakho? Athi ha kanti uwe. I'm like, okay. Athi mina bengisho ubuye umuntu. So yeah, I was actually laughing. Ngithi yale siyashintsha nje, and it's very normal for a spiritual child to shape shift. It's normal. And sometimes people won't see you, but they will see umuntu okwembethe, yeah, umuntu omembethe wena. Sorry, umoya wami uphansi nje man, angazi why. But anyway, I want to speak about a profession, a spiritually chosen profession. Sorry, I've realized which I actually skip some of the things that ngifuna ukuzisho sometimes, guys. I'm so sorry. Ngirealize mangibheka amanye ama videos. So I want to speak about gift, your calling or your gift in profession, because we normally speak about chosen partners, but we don't speak about spiritually chosen professions. Okay, have you noticed ukuthi kukhona abantu people who are spiritually gifted can actually sell you into engathengeki. So ukuthi kwabanye abantu ayithenge kodwa kuwe bayayithenga abantu. Kube khona abantu who uhambe ne ubona uthenga izinto mawufika endlini kahle kahle lento bongayidingi, yawazi nokuthi uyithenge kanjani. Have you noticed ukuthi khona isimo esinjalo? That's because umuntu ohamba nabantu abadala, guys, they often they are the ones that are working, not you. A spiritually gifted child would go into a meeting angapreparwanga for i-agenda, but here you have ama-resolutions, nama-ideas, none. And yet bongazi kuzokhulunywa ngani. Abantu abadala, umuntu ohamba nabantu abadala has solutions. So I want to speak about self-initiates specifically, but I know ukuthi it does happen ngisho nabantu abangoma abahambe bayothwasa, right? Abasedlozini lokuthwaselwa. So guys, no one ever said as a spiritual person your calling is to be a healer. Azange abakini bathi umalaphi, yes siyakubiza unobizo, but ubizo lwakho ukuba i-healer or umelaphi wendabuko, ukuba i-traditional healer. No one said that. And especially with self-initiates kakhulu, no one said you are being initiated to be a healer. No one said you are being initiated to be ukusebenza ngabantu njengabo Goktabi. Callings are different. I've made a video, I think, about this. Callings are different. People are called into their profession sometimes. Omunye umuntu okwembethe uye okubizele to into bekeyithanda or umsebenzi bekeyuthanda. Kunabantu abama-nurse, but the nursing comes from lo muntu omembethe because beke uthanda umsebenzi wakhe wasawudlulisela komunye. Chosen professions. I-calling yakho is in your profession sometimes. It's not ukuthi kuthiwe because une-calling fanele uyeke umsebenzi wakho. Uyekiswa yibo mangabe kunesizathu ukuthi fanele uyeke, wena vele ubizelwe ukuba i-healer. Sometimes even the career path that you take, or the courses that we choose, basically are chosen for them, are chosen by them. When I started studying psychology, I've always loved psychology. So when I started my journey as a shaman, then I realized the link between the two. So and in most work or jobs that I've been into, guys, in a link to abantu abadala, in all of them, let me not even say most of them, in a link abantu abadala somehow. So azange but you will be called to be a-healer efane ukuthi shaya amathambo, or you will be called to be a-healer efane ube umprofeti. Nobody said that. The gift that they give you will align with the profession they give you sometimes. There are people, guys, who are teachers, right? Uthola ukuthi the way lento iyi-passion kuye, like impilo yakhe, uzuzwa abantu bathi phela masozo wamtshela ngomsebenzi wakhe ayikho into enye uzomtshela ngayo. And lo muntu, you can even see ne-expression makakhuluma ngomsebenzi wakhe, the change of his skin tone, and uyabona ukuthi lento kuye. So i-profession or i-gift yakho, your calling, guys, is instilled in your DNA. It's imprinted in your DNA. It is imprinted in your DNA. Umsebenzi wabantu abadala will align with your profession sometimes. And sometimes yibo futhi abakufuna kuleyo profession. They never said sifuna usebenze ngamathambo. Yes, they might give you in case where your guides are amakhosi, or in bazokunikeza izembatho, but they never said. That is why you'll find a judge, uyi-judge during the day, but makafika endlini ushintshe ufake into zakhe zobizo. And you'll find that those people, mayekhuluma, ngisho ekhuluma court, a lawyer that has been called into the profession by ancestors, makakhuluma court, unomehluko between umuntu ohambe wayofunda nje, umfundisi who has been called for that particular as a pastor, mayeshumayela, unomehluko between umuntu ohambe wayofundela ubufundisi. So into iba imprinted in your DNA, i-calling yakho. Kunabantu abama-doctors who are spiritually gifted. Omunye doctor angakunika iPanado ingasebenzi, lo akunika iPanado iyenze umqemane, uphile, because akulaphi yena. Into isemandleni wakhe ukuthi izandla zakhe. The gift is, you carry the gift, guys. I-gift ayikho ey'ntweni ey'thize, i-gift kuwe, i-calling kuwe. So you know I've dealt with people who are called into business. Business inuka kuye lo muntu lona. And some people, unfortunately, it says that they don't know ukuthi babizelwe phi kahle kahle. Uthola ukuthi omunye ubizelwe ku-agriculture. I've had a lot of clients, I've had some clients ababizelwe ku-agriculture, where lo muntu unuka imfuyo, lo muntu ufane ngabe ufuyiyo. Omunye azasho athi yasikoko ngihlale ngicabanga indaba yemfuyo, but I've never really thought about it the way so uyibeka ngakhona manje. Akekho umuntu owathi i-calling yakho will be a healer, a traditional healer. Akekho umuntu owakubekela lo mthetho. Sometimes mabagcinisa izinto, sometimes as they initiate you to do this, you understand the logo nano. It's part of your journey, even in your profession. You should be able to use that they have taught you. And sometimes uthola ukuthi uyi-self-initiate nje, not because necessarily fanele ukuthi uyolapha abantu, but uyi-self-initiate because bafuna ukuqedelela ijeni. Mhlawumbe asithi umbethe umuntu obengayiqedanga ijeni, uqedelela ijeni yakho. So wena basically uyasiza ukuqedelela ijeni. That is why sithola abantu who have trusted, but uthola ukuthi after lokho ukuthwasa akusayenzekile uthola umuntu bekufanele agcina. I've explained this. Umuntu ogcinayo, ogcina ubizo. It's not ukuthi ugogo masithi ugogo umbethe orini, it's not ukuthi ugogo uthe ufuna ukuthi ube yihila. No, ezinye izinto kade guys esizibhadalelayo it's just amacala. Ezinye izinto sikuma self initiation nje ukuthi fanele kusize. Ezinye ubizelwe ukuthi uzoba uzophatha ikhaya, mhlambe as a representative kubantu abadala. Ikaningi lento ye calling guys, but no one said. Omunye umuntu ubizela ukuthi yabona wena noma ungaqala ngisho ishop enjani, things just happen. Uma ngale nibe abantu ba destroy yini, it's who they associate with. Because if uzoqala ibusiness, let me make an example. Uqala ibusiness ube nama partners, ama partners aphume makubo kuneyinkinga zabadala basemakubo. Wena ungena nabo into business, sometimes there's darkness within the people. Ungena nabo ku business, ibusiness ingayindawo, or uqala ibusiness bese then ujoin abantu ukuthi sayithanda ibusiness yakho. Okay, immediately you associate with them ibusiness iwe. So sometimes it's the energies that we keep ezenza ukuthi into ihambe vice versa. It's not ukuthi or ihambe wrong. It's not ukuthi off rampa because ini abantu abadala, but no, it's the energy you associated with. Because if abantu bakho but clean, and when are you going to associate nabantu abangcolile, you're going to have problems. Sometimes into profession uthi ngena wena kuphuma umunye umuntu uqoshwa ukukhanya kwakho. Nithi ningena entweni, sometimes uthi ungena mhlambe emsebenzini othize kuphume uzibani uqoshwa ukukhanya kwakho, or uqoshwa abakini, because eyakhi energy neyakhe ayihlangani. So you can be called into your own profession, into the chosen profession. You can be called. Khona umuntu ongathi makaxoxela athi yazi ukuthi ngine PhD, I have no idea howsoever ukuthi ngize ngafika kanjani kule stage enguzo. Khona abantu abafundile guys, abafundile, and yet later on i-calling yamdemand ukuthi a-change i-route. It is okay. It is okay, because mhlambe sometimes you do it out of your own will. Because nabantu I went into bookkeeping. I studied bookkeeping years ago, and only to find out it did not really align with me. However, then I went into finance. Yeah, link up, but then there I was meant for something else. And even with when I was studying, it wasn't because you know, it's part of your training. It's part of your life training, because you have to pick up as you go along. You pick up certain things as my life since, as my experience. But no one said everybody is a healer, guys. Nobody said that. Nobody said abakwazi ukusebenza ma mechanic. Mhlambe le imoto ayilungiswa na uwe mechanic, izilungiswa yibo, because they want you there. Angithi that is why ngithi mina yazi ukuthi umbethe bani, because sometimes mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi akusebenzi wena nakule mechanical le workshop onayo, akusebenzi wena, akusebenzi umkhulu wakho. You understand? Being an electrician, sometimes uthola uyi-electrician awazi nokuthi ugesi wazelaphi kanjani nani sebenza bona. I-calling yakho fanele ikusebenzele guys. I-calling fanele kusebenze bona. I-calling is meant ukuthi kusebenze bona, not wena. Wena you just there as a tool. You are carrying them, but kusebenza bona. So align nento yiyo, even in profession. I'm going to say this, and I hope angifaka abantu angifaka odelinga ey'ndabeni zami. Like uDeli, for instance, is my go-to example. Musician, right? But that's his calling. It's not necessarily ukuthi musician because he loves music. He's called into that. Do you understand? He was called into that. Calling yakhe lapho. Akekho umuntu othe shintsha ube into enje na, because ngoba healing that you're going to give is aligned with the profession. Is aligned with the profession oyenzayo. Kunabantu engibaziyo abasebenza imisebenzi ehlukene. Uthola omunye umuntu uyi-accountant kusebenza isithunywa. You know, sometimes guys uzithole usmart, uthola umuntu i-IQ yakhe man, yo. Kunabantu abangasebenzi guys, kodwa mawukhuluma naye i-IQ level yakhe. I-IQ lo muntu lona ubukeka nje engasilutho mawumbuka wena. Mawuthi mameli i-IQ level yakhe akusebenzi intelligence, sebenzi wisdom. So when you do your self initiation, initiation, limited to being a healer, a traditional healer, or a spiritual healer, or a medium, or a prophet, or limited to that. You don't know. That is why silalela amagayizi akho nokuthi bafuna ini. A lot of people will ask me, so Koko, are you saying ukuthi kahle kahle I'm not a healer like njengawe? Yes. Your healing is different. You are meant to heal. That is why kunabantu who are meant to be umelusi, for instance. If we look back encwadini yomelusi, omunye umuntu inkomo, mhlambi inkomo ayimlandeli ngoba, but labantu ahamba nabo yiba benza ukuthi ngisho inkomo zakhe. Guys, there's so much. Khona umuntu othi mangathatha ini nje, whether it's a seed ayiplante, ivune ukudlula abanye abantu ingadi yakhe. Uzibuza ukuthi okay fine, lo muntu uselokishini but ingadi yakhe. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu abawu-3 bathengisa inkukhu, kodwa ezikalona zi-different. You don't know how, but ezikalo zi-different. Calling is very important, even in your profession. Iyasebenza. Ngiyabonga.